Hey there, Dave Gardner here with a $2 secret. We got lucky strategies, and this is our third one. This one is called TARL. Now, I did not come up with TARL, but the idea of TARL, take action, revise later, is something I picked up when I first got involved in online marketing back in 2009 by a marketer, Bob the Teacher Jenkins. Now, I think it's pretty cool that he was a former teacher, became, a full-time online marketer, because that's what my goal is. That's where I see my vision. I'm currently a high school science teacher. I've been coaching lacrosse for 15 years. And the idea of TARL really stuck with me and really kind of, really was something that I followed and I still follow to this date. And even for years, I had a little card and like basically a folded piece of paper in my wallet that I could pull out every now and again, and it said TARL on the top, and it had all these action points on things that I wanted to take care of. And if I took care of them, I could cross them off, and eventually I would create a new paper. But the whole point is I can change something now, and maybe a year later, maybe something's wrong with it. Maybe the video needs to be updated. Maybe the blog post has a link that doesn't work, or maybe the program that I'm focusing on has changed. And so what I can do is I can always go back and I can edit those posts. I can go back and I can add or embed a new video into my blog. I can go through and I can start changing things. If I think about this book itself, this is actually on about the third different version that I've printed, because I've gone through and updated things, and I've gone and modified some things that maybe aren't so true anymore in here, or if there's something that I recommended, maybe the platform doesn't exist, and so I go in and I update it. It doesn't mean I just say, oh, the heck with it, I'm not going to work with it anymore. You can always go back and update. There's no such thing as a perfect 100% absolutely end all to a program. Things have issues, things have bugs, things have, maybe there's a problem with the software, and we go back and we update it as needed. So again, you can TARL in many points of your life. Take action, but you can always go back and revise later and figure out and maybe change things and see how things look on a later time. Just think about if you're at your house. Maybe you color your house or you color your walls one color and you realize, okay, I don't like it. Revise it later, right? Same thing holds true with your business. You can always go back and revise things later, but you have to have taken the action in the first place. So again, this is rule number 3 or strategy, tip number 3 of lucky strategy. So hope you're enjoying these. Be on the lookout and check your email so you can get access to the rest of these lucky strategies that are bonuses inside of the $2 secret. All right, we'll talk to you soon.